no bitch. For no ops, niggas be dick sucker. That's the main reason they mans done get dropped. Look, 1 to 3, now 2, told little bro, go spin a block. Niggas don't want no beef with us, they turn us up, she gon' get dropped. 50 in a Glock, like niggas hiding us, they not hoes, keep jumping in beef. That's why these hoes get hit up top. Rose go bust down, she thinking I'm that nigga. Used to fuck with dog, but his ass start snitching. Spin a block, don't leave no witness.
What's the deal, y'all? What's going on, man? Today's video, we about to do some little customization to the Tahoe, and we about to make a part 2 to the reel that I got of me hitting the trash can. So I think it's at like 12 million views now, but everybody keep DMing me, asking me, make a part 2, do something else, do more truck content, this and that. So that's what we doing today. I'm about to flip the camera in a second, show y'all what we got going on. And yeah, man, hopefully this video go crazy. So, all right, man, if you know, you know. If you don't, you slow. Say no, but anyways, bro, look, I had to do everything to test it and stuff, make sure everything worked right. But I'm gonna just do it for y'all. Bro, now let me say, hold on, before anything happens, I'm gonna tell y'all first, do not do this at home, bro. Don't do this. Don't go trying to do everything that I do. Do not try this at home at all. 0%. Don't do it.
And do not use this on public roads.
So, anyways, as I was saying, we're gonna do this on a like abandoned street, somewhere off the road, so nobody see anything and all of that. We're gonna do it away from everybody and all of that. So, anyways, these are the lights. You could change them like, hold on. You can press them, change them to how you want them. All that type of stuff. It's like a whole bunch of different settings. But anyways, that's that. Then we got these. Them ones go in the window above the, like by the sun visors and stuff inside the car. These ones, oh yeah, I just said that, I'm slow as hell. These ones go in the sun visor. These right here, these go in the grill. I'm not about to screw these in because it's a brand new fucking truck. So I'm gonna just zip tie these on. But I'm gonna see if I can show y'all right quick how it works. Hold on. Just show y'all how it works. Put one on red. You can change like the sequence. You can change the sequence of everything and all of that. So I'm trying to put this in there so it stay on. These actually bright as hell. Bro. That's just the one light. It's crazy. But y'all get it. I got like 8 of these. I'm probably not gonna hook up all 8. I'm probably only hook up like 4. And then wherever the remote is at, that I've lost. Let me see where it's at. Then we got, of course, you have to have this, man. Have to have it, man. Gotta have it. So yeah, man, we gotta be careful with this, and you can talk over it. Testing. You can talk over it, so yeah, man. So I'm waiting on Zay to pull up. We about to put it on the car and all of that, and we're gonna go about it from there after I install everything. Of course, I gotta install everything because fuck Zay. Zay suck. All right, man. So all we doing is we waiting on Zay. When Zay pull up, I'm gonna install these on the car, and we're gonna go from there. I'm I'm hoping everything goes smooth. I don't want to have to deal with no police today. I don't want to have to deal with none of that type of stuff. So hopefully everything goes smooth and we can go from there. So I got some reels coming for y'all, man. Make sure y'all follow me on my IG. Please, please, please make sure y'all subscribe, man. I'm trying to do big things, man. Come on now. Anyways, man, I appreciate y'all more than anything. So we just waiting on him to pull up, and I'm probably gonna go outside for a minute, warm my bike and cars and all of that up, because it's a little warm today. So I might do a little video ride up down the street on the 4-wheeler or the Harley or something like that, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. You see, I got my Harley out. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Hold on. Where you at? Damn. This what you drove to prom?
Yeah. You know, I graduated in 72.
Look like it.
Graduated in 72.
Damn.
Hold this phone. I'm legally blind. Jesus, Devontae Christ.
I got to hold it. I got to hold the light.
You got 3 months. Heard that sound effect?
You ain't put the things in there.
What? Oh, fuck, I didn't.
See? Glad I was here.
I've done this before.
Glad I was here. You took the bag off.
I know.
All right, we got action. Damn, big motor boys. We had to change his battery because his battery was dead, but his bike would like stay started. When you turn it off, try to start it back up again, it'll not start back up. We thought it was the stator, but I think I found an issue under here. I think his computer was touching his battery terminal, his positive battery terminal, shorting it out. So we hope that that's what the problem is. So far it's running. We done changed the battery, put a new battery. So from here, I'm about to go ride a little bit while we waiting on Zay. His bike dirty as hell. The car could your fucking seats go in.
Why the back seat's not red?
Cause these aftermarket seats, nigga. Stupid ass nigga. Dumb ass
That's
nigga.
them Bray arms. Look at them.
This nigga stupid. Come on, bro. Put this shit in the car now.
I can just make the noises and I put the lights on my phone.
How the noise go? I thought you was gonna say.
This is gonna be my noise. Stop, nigga.
Wow.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
All right, bro. Come on.
First thing you gotta do to get these lights on is turn around, get over, motherfucker.
Got him. We fucking got him.
What? What? Oh my God. All right, bro. Go put here. Put these on the inside.
I got you.
Hold up.
You know how to do these? You gotta do it like this.
You're gay. He's gay.
Like
Oh my God.
You wanna lick the other one?
Get him out of here.
All right, them go up here in the window. See if this nigga know how to do it. This nigga slow as hell, bro. This nigga slow as hell, y'all. This a nasty ass nigga. Bro, go towards the middle some.
Right here?
Yeah.
Don't be the seat, twin.
Push it on the side. Yeah, nigga. With your stinking ass booty scratchers, nigga. This nigga can't do shit.
I ain't gonna lie, these bitches ain't going nowhere though.
All right, put the other side up. Meantime, in between time, I gotta. Actually, I'm about to put this shit right here. I think. Man, I'm about to sit that bitch right in here. Man, I ain't even think about that. This shit about to be easy as hell. Hold on, y'all.
Okay, YouTube. So me and Mo woke up today, and we chose police brutality.
Facts.
So we finna put these police lights on the car and go around the east side and just beat niggas up all day. Mo gonna beat them up the most though. I'm just gonna drive.
I'm gonna jump.
We gonna jump them. We gonna jump them with a Glock. Yep. I bet we win too. All these young niggas got switches. All right, you watching Mo? You know he defused.
I defuse bombs and shit.
Yeah. You know, he was over there with them people over there on the other side of the world, but he was working with the good people.
You said don't break it.
No, nigga, I said break it.
You said don't break it. I don't know what the fuck I just did.
Yeah,
I think I did the opposite of what you said.
You unfixed it. Yeah, so we got Mo over. He unfixed the speaker for us.
Bro.
Just broke.
What did I do?
Screw, nigga, put that bitch back on there and screw the screws back.
Oh, the screws go on this side. Why can't I see the screw holes though?
Cause it probably.
There they go. Bro.
It's heavier or something, or it's magnetic.
It's magnetic. What 4 screws? It's 4 screws. One. You know I can't count.
I know, nigga.
I don't know if this going.
Need to bring this out.
What?
He forgot he was my cousin, nigga. I know you can't fucking count. And you can't color inside the lines either. You draw this today?
Follow it?
Yeah.
For a second.
Why you don't like this, bro?
I do like my phone.
You be mistreating this bitch, dog. I wish it was my fault. I don't even know how to drive that bitch. I'll fall off that bitch every day, probably. But I'll drive it. Look mean, too. I know you can wait to bust that Harley out, nigga. Today it do feel good as fuck. Y'all all rode?
Huh?
Most of y'all, like, whole little group rode?
No.
You want scoop?
For the most part, Damn. I need some light.
It'll probably be dark in like an hour.
Steady.
That's the face of a hardworking
Scientific.
Asian man.
Hardworking who?
Asian man.
Bitch.
Oh shit, and that's just
Dog. Press the where the remote at?
Is it button on?
Yeah.
Fuck. No. I don't think the button on.
Fuck are you doing?
Oh my god. We gonna go over there. Alright, y'all. We about to go so y'all can see the lights put on. The lights is put on, man. And the siren and shit. We about to go make this real for y'all right quick. Y'all can't even see this nigga. But we finna go make this real for y'all. And yeah. We're gonna get to it right quick, man. I think he said he need gas. We gotta stop at the gas station.
We blowing in this bitch.
We don't fuck a dog, boy, y'all down if y'all with him. We don't care about the monkey, niggas get hit, play in the middle.